So the first thing you want to do is collect 3 to 4 colors of string, whichever color of your choice. And then you measure the string from the end of your middle finger to your shoulder, and you do this for each string color twice. And then you tie all 6 to 8 strings together in a knot so that it's secure. And then you separate the strings into a mirroring pattern for an overall V pattern. As you can see here, we have a pink, black, and white pattern on the left side, and then you'll mirror that color on the right side. And then what you do is you take your leading string, which in this case is the pink color string, and you make a forward knot, which is basically just a 4. And then you take your pink string and pull it under from the black string, or whichever is the next colored string you have. And you secure a knot there, and then you do this another time so that it's secure. And then you do this for the rest of your strings on the left side. And then you'll get your leading string into the middle. And then you take the most outer string on the right side, which in this case is also the pink because it's mirror image, and you make a backwards forward knot, which is a backwards 4. And then it's the same concept as you did on the left side.
Then once both your pink colors are in the middle, you want to just make a simple knot. And you want to repeat this twice for maximum security, just like you've done for the rest of the bracelet. And then once that's all done, then you can start moving on to your second row. In this case, it's the black. And here you can see a developed bracelet with the V pattern. All rights to this video are reserved to Clune Studios.